What's good, everybody? Today, yes, we are going to be talking about Bitcoin. Is this a bull trap? A lot of you guys are asking, are we in a bull trap right now? Should we be worried about the Bitcoin price? All that stuff, guys, I'm going to be discussing right now. But, whoa. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Before I get into it, I'm going to let you guys come in and, just wait up. But if you are here right now, guys, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe if you are new, because we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin price. Is this a bull trap? I'm going to do a technical analysis, also price prediction for this upcoming week, as well as talk about what to expect in the near future for the Bitcoin price. Are we bullish? Are we bearish? All that stuff, guys. I'm going to answer a lot of questions. If you guys haven't checked out my video, go check it out, because, I just posted it like an hour ago. If you're in here, guys, hit that like button right now. We're going to get right into it very, very soon. This is my second time doing these types of videos. Yes, I'm going to live stream for about 30 minutes, and then we are going to, basically just see where we go from there. So if you're in here, guys, hit that like button right now. I have lots to talk about. But with that said, I'm going to have all y'all come in real quick. Okay. Actually, just get right into it, guys. Make sure to hit that like button right now, guys. But let's get right into it. Let's talk about the Bitcoin chart, the price of Bitcoin right now. Right now, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin. Let me move the light up more right here. For some reason, yeah, that thing's very bright. But everybody watching, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin right now. So this is the weekly time frame right now. We have the 200 moving average. For the first time in Bitcoin's history, we've been below for a couple months now. If I scope out, right here, yes, we did briefly wick, as you guys can see, a couple times. Briefly, just for like a couple days. But over here, what we take a look at, if we take a look over here, what do we see? We see that the Bitcoin price is below the 200 moving average for almost, I believe, 2 months now, guys. Yes, it's been below for almost, probably like over 2 months, to be honest. We take a look right here, June. So we've been below this for like 6 months now. And this is the first time ever in Bitcoin's history. So what does this mean? Well, we're still in a bear market. Yes, we still are bullish on the Bitcoin, but we still are in a bear market. As you guys can see, earlier today, we tried to touch, to break above 25,000, which is the 200 moving average on the weekly time frame. We failed to do so, but the current price is sitting at 24,300. And right now, we're still bullish as long as we stay above $23,000. Guys, hit that like button, but we need to be very careful, because if we take a closer look at the Bitcoin price, what do we see here, guys, on the 4-hour charts? Let's rewind this out. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so what do we have right here, guys? If we take a look, yes, we did create this double top, which is a very concerning Bitcoin, chart pattern that we formed. We need to be aware of this. Be careful, because this is a bearish pattern that we just formed on the 4-hour charts. Also, MACD on the 4-hour time frame, we crossed for a sell. What does this tell us? We may see a pullback. As I said yesterday, yes, expect a pullback in the Bitcoin market. Expect it to, possibly correct to 23,400, 500. We managed to drop all the way down to 23,800. So right now it's a good sign as we currently speak. It is a good sign right now. But be careful because we created this double top. MACD is crossing on the 4-hour time frame. Look at guys, 4-hour time frame. Now let's take a look right here. What do we see here? Well, we also have the weekly EMA. This tells us if we're in a bear or bull market. Right here, when you see a cross from the EMA 55 with the EMA 20, this tells us that we are in a bear market. We've been in a bear market since April of 25th of April. So almost over a year now, guys, basically, for the Bitcoin price. So we need to be aware. Right now, we did manage to touch above 25,000. And this is why I also said it would have been very bullish if we closed above 25,000, because this means we would have been above the EMA 55, which is telling us we are heading into a reversal. Yes, it does look very bullish right now because we did form this 2 red candles on the weekly time frame, and then we created this massive green candle that just outpaced it, and you see it's the size of these 2 candles combined and a little bit more. So yes, right now we are still bullish as long as we stay above $23,000. Okay, let's look right here. Why do I say we might be, possibly pumping to, we still might be pumping? Well, as I said, we're still above 23,000, so we're still bullish. Right here, guys, we have high liquidity around the 25,200. So why wouldn't banks and institutions want to pump it even more? Also right here, we have the $26,000 price range, 26,800 for Bitcoin. And this is my price prediction, guys. I do believe if things go very well, we're going to see a $26,000 price range for Bitcoin. Yes. Guys, hit that like button if you're still watching. But moving on, there are 2 indicators you guys need to watch right now. Very, very simple. First one being the S&P 500. Yes, right now we just created 2 red candles on the weekly time frame. This upcoming week is going to be very important because this will tell us where Bitcoin's price will head to. If we continue to the upside, this is a good sign for Bitcoin. Also, DXY. We're seeing the price see rejection, but right now it's making its way back up. If it continues to make its way back up, expect the S&P 500 to dip. This means the Bitcoin price will also dip. The stronger the US dollar, that means people are going to be more likely to hold the dollar and will likely, not spend money on, investments like crypto. This is why we have, the US dollar is an indicator for the Bitcoin price. Now looking at liquidations, what do we see? $22 million liquidated. Guys, let me fix something real quick. There we go. Oh, that's what it was. So right here, $122 million liquidated on long positions, 76% liquidated. So it looks like right now the bulls are getting wrecked, but it's still very early. Now looking right here, guys, we got to be very careful with this because if we scope out to the weekly time frame, it looks like we are creating a double top right here and right here. And what this might mean is we might be creating a massive bearish pattern on the weekly time frame, because you can see right here, back in August, we did see this massive dump right here where it was trying to make its way back up, and then we saw a massive dump. Is it going to happen this time? We don't know yet, guys, but we do have this psychology of a market. We are right here, guys, right now, and we were right here in August. Are we going to see a massive double top and then a massive dump? Still too early to tell. As I said, I'm bullish unless we break below $23,000. So we do have a lot of stuff to look at right now, guys. We're creating this double bottom or double top on the weekly time frame. We did get rejected around the weekly 200 moving average, which is also another indicator telling us that we are heading down because we couldn't break above it. Also, we're creating a double top on the 4-hour time frame. MACD is closing, or MACD is showing a sell on the 4-hour time frame. Right now, short term, it is telling us a sell, as you guys can see, but we did create this higher low. As you guys can see, we created a higher low, which is a good sign. Whoever is in the chat, guys, who's in the chat, guys, I don't know, but there's a lot of stuff telling us we're bullish, but also bearish, because on the weekly, we are creating this major double top right here, guys, because if you look at the Wall Street, what do we see? A double top right here as well. If you see right here, it did manage to create this little double top, which we did create. And then we're going to see another crash according to the psychology of a market cycle. It all depends, guys. It all depends on the S&P 500 as well as the US dollar. Pay attention to this, guys, because this is very key. If I were to choose which indicator to look at the most, which is the most impactful, I would say the DXY. Why do I say that? Well, everything will follow along. The S&P follows the DXY, and then the Bitcoin price follows the S&P 500. Or wait, I said that wrong, guys. Sorry. I was basically saying the S&P 500 follows the DXY, and the Bitcoin price follows the S&P 500. So this right here, guys, pay attention if I were to tell you the most, because right now it's undecisive. It would have been bullish, guys, if the weekly candle closed above the 200 moving average, which is $25,000. If we close that, I would have been very bullish and expect a $30,000 Bitcoin this week. But it didn't close below 23,800, which is also not bearish. So right now it's neutral, and this is why I'm saying the biggest indicator right now to look at is the DXY. But with that said, guys, is this a bull trap? We don't know, guys, because it's very early. As I said, as long as we don't break below 23,000, we are still bullish on the Bitcoin price. We clearly haven't broken below it just yet. So overall, this is not a bull or a bear, or actually, no. This is not a bull trap as of right now. We're still very, early, because if we take a look at the psychology cheat sheet, it is showing us that we're going to see another major crash as of right now. But guys, with that said, guys, hit the like button, subscribe. This is my daily, I'm going to try and do this every other day where I live stream with you guys. You guys can ask questions, but follow me on all social medias. TikTok, I'm on there the most. So if you guys want to get a hold of me, go on TikTok. It's DC Profits. Just look me up. DC Profits, no space. There's nothing, just DC Profits. But with that said, if you have any questions, guys, just comment right now, because I'm going to end this and then head over to TikTok to do a live stream, just to get people prepared, all these crypto holders prepared for what's next on the Bitcoin price, because everything is unsure. Bitcoin doesn't know where it wants to go, because we didn't close above 25,000, which is a bullish scenario. Also, in the weekly, it didn't close below 23,800, which would have meant a big correction coming for the Bitcoin price. Right now, we are neutral. This is why I said pay attention to the DXY. This will tell us where the price of Bitcoin will head to, and ultimately tell us where altcoins will go, because the altcoins will follow the Bitcoin price. But with that said, guys, hit the like button, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, DC Profits. I will be back possibly tomorrow, maybe Tuesday. For sure Tuesday, actually. Maybe tomorrow. But with that said, peace. If I can end it, guys.